Hi Smart Mind, so in this video I'll be showing you how to make a shake effect in Scratch. So let's get started. So smash that like button and make sure to subscribe and turn on all the notifications. So I got two sprites which I need my shake effect on. The space cat and my background. So make sure you upload background as a sprite and don't upload your background in the backdrop section, because we cannot use motion blocks in the stage. So click on space cat. So when green flag, click. So you could use the forever or the repeat block. So I'll use the repeat block. I'll repeat like 50. Grab this, go to X and Y. So I want my cat to be on X0 and Y0. So drag this on the top and then repeat 50. We need to pick random. So for the first value, subtract 10 from your original expression. So it's minus 10. And for the second value, just add 10. So 0 plus 10 is 10. So my Y position is also same as the X position. So just duplicate it and place it in the Y position. And now copy the same block for your background. So I want my background to stay in X0 and Y0. So okay, now let's test our effect. And now you can see we got a really cool looking shake effect. So now I want my cat to be like here. So now you got the X and Y position. So enter it here. So these are the same stage. Just subtract 10 for the first value and add 10 for the second. And I can see our Y position is different, so subtract 10 and add 10. And I can see our shake effect is still working perfectly. So if you add and subtract a large value, so I added and subtract 20, it will give a large chaos looking shape. And if you enter a small value, it will give you a small shake effect. So that's it for this video, and if you want to make an awesome game like this, make sure to check this video.